Hi makeup and beauty lovers, I'm Mona Ioana. Welcome back, or welcome if you're first time here. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you my makeup room that I finally have created. Yay! And slash doggy sleeping area. Anyway, let me take you on a tour. Walk into my lair. Yes, you can see my makeup area. So this is a wonderful, wonderful Hollywood mirror that my husband gave me a few years ago, and I love it. And then this is IKEA. It pulls out. I'll have all my makeup that I use the most, I guess. Yeah, I did organize this, but it keeps shifting every time. And then this is also IKEA. But where I can have all my different makeup products divided. So blushes, highlighters, and contour and all that good stuff, bronzers, and then eye palette, makeup palettes, and then some eye products with lip products here and eyelashes. And then we go into stuff I get from my beauty boxes. I know I'm doing a year, no makeup for a year, but I have subscribed to BoxyCharm. I canceled the subscription, but I have a few months left for it. And this is just my cleaning supplies, things that came in that I gotta open and review. So yeah. And my makeup brushes, actually I have a ton of more. I put them away. Those are the ones I use the most. I gotta wash them, I know. This flower I got in Walmart. Yeah, and then I'm very happy of Audrey Hepburn right here. So I'm going to show you my closet. I know. Yes, I will, because I'm so happy with it. So my closet has my lights, has a IKEA cart where I can roll things in and out, and some storage stuff like makeup and all that good stuff. And here we have my dog area. Yep. Here is relaxation area. I use this table to put products on and shoot videos, and this chair sometimes. And this is air disinfector because I do not want to have a doggy smell in here. I have the view of a neighborhood, a little bit of flowers. I really like the lighting here, so this is really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumb up. Thank you.